After 20 years of building world-class business intelligence products, founder Ward Yadernick established Next Analytics in 2003, and it's been a success ever since. There are three basic tenets to the company's success. First, offer superior data access. Second, complement broad data access with a unique and powerful data processing engine. Third, deliver the analytics in Excel, because Excel is the most popular business tool in the world. In the next 2 minutes, I'll briefly go over the business benefits of each aspect. Google Analytics is a key part of any business's use of the Internet. So in early 2010, we focused on bringing Google Analytics data into Excel. Now, there is no better product for getting rich data and performing advanced analytic operations while inside Excel. And as most people know, Excel is the perfect environment for analytic dashboards. So we supplemented dashboard creation and distribution by making data refreshes automated and batchable. Now, users of dashboards can see their data instantly, no matter how busy or how large their website traffic is. Facebook is a goldmine of marketing information, and Next Analytics provides unparalleled access to the data. Bolstered by our advanced analytic data processing, you can monitor and measure your Facebook data while in Excel. Our reporting capabilities are built for business users, so it's superior to the analytics that Facebook or anyone else offers. Excel-based dashboards and reports that report on Facebook data are now within reach of any marketer. Like Facebook, Twitter is also a goldmine of marketing data. And, like with our Facebook support, our Twitter analytics are the best in their class. Our unique Excel-based approach enables users to analyze their own Twitter data, as well as data sitting in the Twitterverse waiting to be mined. It's a big time saver because you can work offline while in Excel. Powerful filtering and segmentation features let you focus on the most important aspects of the data quickly and easily. In short, Next Analytics helps make Twitter a useful part of your marketing activities. Next Analytics is a mature product and has a great deal of functionality. There's certainly as much depth as anyone would ever need, even if they were used to vastly more expensive products. We supply dashboards so that purchasers can get an immediate ROI. This is possible because the dashboards don't take much effort to implement, and there's no need for training for them to be useful. After a short 2-minute download, most people are seeing their data in useful ways within just 5 minutes. Analysis ninjas love the power and flexibility. They love that they don't need to spend hours moving data and fixing formulas. They love the overall efficiency of our batch production capabilities. Now they can spend time annotating and distributing Excel dashboards that have analytic insight. This leads to better decisions and more success for everyone. We are succeeding at making web and social media analytics a low-cost, fast-to-ROI activity. This is a key part of why you should make Next Analytics part of your analytics toolset. Thank you, and we hope that you'll give our product a try.